Hello and welcome to this SugarCane tutorial. Today we are going to be looking at SugarCane. It is an educational website that you can use to create educational games. It uses data and creates several different types of games, but it's up to you to decide which type of game you want to create for your students. There's several different possibilities for creation. The first thing you want to do is set up an account. I've already set up one. Once you get your account set up with your name and email, then you're able to create several different games. When you hit create, you will get this screen where you can enter your data sets so that you can create any type of game you want. A simple game that can be created very quick is a math game. And let's do a math game with addition. So in one column, I'll have the problem, and then in the other column, I'll have the answer. You can also add additional columns for additional associations. So maybe you want to add a picture, maybe you want to add another concept or term so that students will be able to associate that information with what's going on in the other columns. Made a mistake. You can easily delete it. It's kind of hard to talk and enter in the information as well. But you get the gist here. You have your problem and your answer column. Then once those are made, then you go to save. It's going to save your data set, and then you're able to easily use your data set to create any of the 18 games that SugarCane offers you to be able to make. It's just taking a little while longer to load up here. It's usually very fast. So once it creates your data set, then you're able to create the game. So you click make the game now. There are several different options: matching games, associating games, fill in the blank games. Today I'm just going to choose concentration, which is basically just a matching game. I'm going to select the problem and the answer as how the game will be played. And I'll give my game a name, math and addition is what my game is about. You scroll down, then you can click create game and it'll create your game. So this is the game board. Name of my game is here, who created it and what it's about. You have a score here, time, different boards. I'm on the first board. Your students will be on the first board. Anyway, you try to match the two to get the correct answer. Then once you get it, it clears. It gives you a score. Then you can also see how you did with other students, because there's a letter board for you to see where you rank with yourself and with other students. Specifically, I created a resume writing game, grid matching game, because I've taught a class of adults. So this can be used with adults, not just children, on how to write a resume. So I use the different sections of a resume as well as what should be included in each section or the definition. So in green is the different sections and blue is the definition. So the students just click the section and the definition of each section and they get a score. So it's very helpful for adults because when they're trying to learn information, they can't retain it as quickly as children. So having a game for them to refer back to is a great way to help them understand and learn concepts. Basically, that is SugarCane in a nutshell. On the main page, you'll see that people have made several different types of games, helping people learn languages. So you want to maybe visit some of these games so you can see the different data sets or possibilities that you can use to make different data sets. So this is a history one on the Cold War, and you can click on it and play it and actually see if this game is something maybe you want to use for your students. I don't know how to play this game, but I would have to read the directions and follow along to be able to do so. But not only can you use this website to make your own games, you can also refer to it for games in a particular topic. So maybe you want to teach your students about reading. So you just type in reading, and there are 2 games on reading strategies, reading comprehension, and there are games for you to be able to help your students with reading. So librarians, this will be a great website for you to use for your students as well. Reading strategies, quiz for reading tasks. So the possibilities are endless. I hope that this helped you learn more about SugarCane as a website, and I hope you think about using it when you're going to be working with your students in and outside of the classroom. Thank you.